Every filmmaker needs tools that will allow them to mount pretty much anything they need anywhere. And with this little kit right here, not only can you get a ton of accessories for super cheap, but it gives you a kit that you can use for nearly everything you ever want. This kit comes with pretty much everything you'd ever need to mount cameras, lights, monitors, anywhere. I'm a super big fan of it, so let's check it out. Inside of the box, we will find a phone mount that you can also expand using the screw right here, so you can mount your phone on an arm. It also does have a tripod thread on the bottom, so you can mount it on the arm, which we'll take a look at in a second. We also get 3 identical GoPro mounts, so you can mount GoPros, which is kind of nice as well. And then we also get a screw to lock the GoPro in place. You don't have to supply your own, they include that in the box. My favorite is this little alligator clip right here. It's super handy and it opens really wide, so you can mount it on light stands, poles, pretty much anything you want. And it's a really awesome thing. And then finally, we've got the arm itself. This is a pretty big and sturdy arm. It's got a nice lock on it and everything is really sturdy. It's made out of metal and it can hold pretty heavy things as well, which is nice. It also comes with a cold shoe mount, so you can mount this on top of a camera, and you can unscrew this as well as the other adapter that it comes with. And then we can apply some of these other accessories that we got, and we can put 2 of them into one unit, which is pretty cool. So for this demo, we are going to be installing our alligator clamp along with our phone mount. And then now we can mount our phone anywhere we want. We can mount it on a pole, a stand, whatever we want. We can also use the thread and we can put it into a tripod mount of any kind. So I have it on the side of my tripod head. And now I've got my phone as kind of a second monitor to my camera. Another example is if we apply our GoPro mount, we can mount our GoPro right on there using the included screw. And then we can hang up our GoPro anywhere we want. We can attach it to a pole or any sort of thing. And you can just angle it with the arm, which does allow you to angle it pretty well around. And then we've now got our GoPro mounted super quick and easy. And it's also really nice and sturdy. And then, like I said, using this alligator clip, we can mount it on things like poles, light stands, and even tripods. We can also use the cold shoe mount to mount it on a camera. And now we can have like a 2 camera setup, which is kind of cool as well. Now, the only downside with this and all other arms like this is that when it does include an adapter like this, it is very, very hard to unscrew if you get it super tight if you don't have any additional tools. So keep that in mind. You don't want to make these tight because they're pretty much impossible to unscrew by hand. I also noticed that with my very limited testing, the pad on the alligator clip started to kind of move a little bit and even started to flake a little bit. So the quality of these may not be the best, but it is very cheap and they do feel sturdy, although it may start coming apart easily. But the uses for this are endless. These are just a few of the many options that you can actually do with this. I am a huge fan of these things. I use them all the time. And it's really awesome. This kit includes everything that you'd ever need for these. So if you're interested in checking out, I'll leave a link to it down below in the description. I love these things. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and I will see you in the next one.